I want to do a quick walkthrough of how Resolve's new folder functionality works. We've just launched the ability to organize your project models into folders from the Resolve web dashboard. That way, when you open the VR app on the Quest or the desktop companion app, instead of one long list of project models, you can now organize them into distinct folders. So I've got my web project dashboard open, and you can see I've already made one folder. This is called the Southeast region. We see a lot of companies are starting to grow their deployments of Resolve, and sometimes the different teams collaborating are different regions of a general contractor or even a portfolio of projects that you have as an owner. And I can put models in here. So if I click on the Southeast region, I have a model loaded up into that folder. And when I open the VR app, you'd be able to see this version of the folder and the model there. I click into it, and now I want to show you how you can make folders for your project team. It's really quite simple. If you are an administrator of your team, you will have the ability to click this Add New Folder button, which takes you to a page that allows you to name a folder. It's going to create a folder within the folder level that you were just in. So right now I created I hit create folder at the top level, and so now I'm going to create the Northeast region, and I'll press create folder, and now I've got an empty folder. And if I go back home, you can see I've got the Northeast region and the Southeast region. The folders are always going to show up at the top of my list. And now if I wanted to add a model into this folder, I would click into it and then click Add New Model and go through my normal flow, and any model that I add after clicking this button will be loaded into this folder, just like you saw with the Southeast one. And we've also launched with the ability to create subfolders. So within the Northeast region, I can create, let's say, Person 1, if I wanted to organize folders for one of my VDC team members, and then I can also put Person 2 into the top level Northeast region. And now I've got folders for my VDC managers, let's say in the Northeast region, to upload their own folders and make sure that they're not getting confused when they're opening one giant list of projects on the Resolve app. We're really excited. This will make it a lot easier for you to organize your projects in the app and make sure that when you launch the app, you can find what you need when you need it. Please give it a spin. Let us know what you think. As always, thanks for watching.